let's know about mutation. What is mutation? Mutation are changes in the DNA sequence of a cell's genome. Mutation is the cause of variation among organisms. Mutation is the raw material of evolution. This diagram showing a part of DNA sequence. Here are we know that DNA constructed by nucleotide sequences. Purine and pyrimidine bases are constructed the DNA strand. Suppose a single strand, look at this diagram. Here T means thymine nucleotide sequence is there. Look at second part of the DNA sequence. Something is there which change this thymine to cytosine. Okay. So these changes takes place in the DNA sequence at a particular point. So this is a change takes place due to some reason, either environmental reason or some internal reason. We don't know how this change takes place, but this change is permanent. So mutation, that's why we are saying mutation are changes in the DNA sequence of a cell's genome which cause variation among organisms, and this is the raw material of evolution. Mutation give rise to origin of new characteristic or adaptive changes that may result into evolution in the long run. That's why we say mutation is the raw material of evolution. Any mutation or variation may have some good effect or bad effect. Let's know about variation. So what is variation? The permanent change in chromosome or DNA may result in difference in expression of characters called as variation. Look at these diagrams. All the dogs expressions are same. No, there are different varieties of dogs are here. These differences are known as variation. So variation signifies any difference between cell or individual organisms or group of organisms of any species. This is caused by genetic difference, that is known as genotypic variation, or by the effect of environmental factors on external manifestation of the organism, that is phenotypic variation. Variation shows deviation in characters in an individual from group to which it belongs, or deviation in characters of offspring from those of its parents. So what is variation? We know that the permanent change in chromosome or DNA may result in difference in expression. Any kind of change happen in DNA sequence. If these changes takes place in DNA sequence, that may result in difference in expression of characters called as variation. Variation may be affected either through genetic alteration of the individuals, or it may also resulted due to environmental pressure. However, only the heritable variation are important for evolution. Now know about some examples of variation in man. Have you noticed some earlobes are attached and some are free? Have you noticed some can roll their tongue and some cannot? Why this happen? This happens, this is known as variation. Variation actually means there are different kind of variety are there. So first we know about free and free or unattached earlobe. So in man, if earlobes hang free, it is called free or detached earlobe. On the contrary, if the earlobes are connected directly to the sides of head, they are attached. So this variation in different person is controlled by genes. Free earlobe is dominant trait and that of attached earlobe is a recessive trait. So remember this term, free or unattached earlobe is a dominant trait and attached earlobe is recessive trait. What is dominant trait, what is recessive trait, we later know about this. Next know about rolling tongue or non-rolling tongue. Roller tongue, some people can curl up, means fold the sides of their tongue to form a tube shape called tongue rolling, while other cannot. It has been proposed tongue rolling is due to genetic variation. Roller tongue is dominant variation, whereas non-roller tongue, that is known as recessive variation. So these two examples, so many examples are there, but here we take two examples to discuss about the term variation.